Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ultimate General American Revolution. First, choose your side, either the American Continental Army or the British forces, and select a campaign. You will then be presented with your initial objectives, typically involving capturing or defending strategic points on the map. Take a moment to explore the user interface, understanding how to navigate the map and view your units. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth start to your revolutionary journey. Now let's delve into the core mechanics. You control individual brigades or regiments, simply click and drag to direct their movement across the battlefield. When engaging the enemy, consider factors like cover, line of sight, and unit type. Maintaining your army's morale is vital. Units with low morale may rout. Also, ensure your troops have adequate supplies to avoid penalties in combat. Mastering these elements is key to battlefield success. Effective strategy and tactics will win you the war. Before each engagement, take time to scout the enemy and formulate a battle plan. Use the terrain to your advantage. Placing artillery on high ground provides excellent firing arcs, while infantry in forests gain defensive bonuses. A balanced army composition, featuring a mix of infantry for holding lines, cavalry for flanking, and artillery for support, is often most successful. Adapt your approach to each unique scenario. To ultimately win the American Revolution, focus on long-term campaign progression. Successfully complete both primary and secondary objectives to advance through the war. Continuously develop your army by recruiting new brigades and upgrading their equipment and experience. Remember, each campaign has unique victory conditions, such as capturing a specific number of territories or defeating key enemy armies. Stay persistent, adapt to challenges, and lead your forces to triumph.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.